Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you more about Market Watch window in your xStation trading platform. Market Watch window is located left from your graph space, and here it is, your Market Watch window, where you can track real-time bid and ask prices for every instrument pair you can trade with Lions FX. Also, you can add a new instrument here that is not already added in the Market Watch by simply adding the name of that currency pair. For example, USD CAD, you want to add United States dollar and Canadian dollar, so you have it now in your Market Watch. You can see that these prices are changing all the time, which means that they're updated with the moves on the market. From this spot, you can also add a chart to a list of charts that have already been opened. So for example, if you want to add chart for USD CAD, you are simply going to use the second button above the buy box. So you have these four different icons, and the second one from the left is called open chart, and as soon as you click open chart, the new graph is going to be opened and immediately displayed for you. So now you can see the way the price for United States and Canadian dollar is being shown. Also, Market Watch window is called a click and trade window because you can the fastest way that you can make the trade in xStation trading platform is actually from here, because by simply clicking sell or buy option and setting the size of lots, you can immediately open your position. But we're gonna talk more about opening, modifying and closing the position in the next video. So hope you enjoyed this one. Stay tuned for more, and thank you.